Legendary marketers review how to make money online with no prior knowledge. Uh, Hi, my name is Muhammad Kamali with Project Marketing. Today we're talking about legendary marketers, how you can start with legendary marketers and what they can offer to you. This is legendary marketers back office, and this is Dave Shop, CEO of Legendary Marketer. When you sign up for this training program, what you're gonna get first thing it is this this 15 days step by step challenge here. These when you sign up, all of these are locked. So on your first day, you have to go through all of these video and complete the quiz, and you have to go all of these step by step, and then you can click this check mark here, and then continue to next step. What's gonna happen next? It is next 24 hours. The next day unlock itself automatically, and also once you finish your first day challenge, is I would highly recommend to get in schedule a call with your business advisor, so you can talk to him one on one. And what he's going to do, he's going to navigate you through the details and the strategies to implement on your own business idea, so that you know exactly what you do and how you do it. So I would highly recommend you start schedule a plan with your business advisor, so you can talk to him or her. So what's gonna happen once you finish this 15 day challenge is you go to an affiliate, and you go through this training course here. All of these training course. What is this, like step by step training course on how to start a business, or what step you have to take to how your funnel works, how to set up domains, how to set up email autoresponders, how to make a G Suite account, professional email account. So you have to go through it step by step on them on how to do it. All you have to do is be coachable and follow through on step by step, because they're gonna teach you on that. So you can promote once you've done these steps there, and you can promote these funnels here, all of these 4 funnels, promote them. And also you have to once you're into this program, it's cost you $7 to enter to this course. $7 nothing for that 15-day challenge. The amount of value you get on that 15-day challenge is insane. You can just literally start a business, and once you finish this training here, and then what's gonna happen is you have to go pro affiliate. It costs you a monthly subscription of $30, so you get a high commission up to 60%. And what I like about this program is that it has a low ticket offer, mid ticket, and high ticket. It goes up from $18 commission up to 12,000 commission. It's insane, honestly. So do you also get once you do a monthly $30 subscription, you get like a Facebook membership. You can join Legendary Facebook membership. You go watch Fridays, Monday and Fridays wake up call with Legendary. These are all the coaches teaches you how to with tips and motivation and mindset. Most important thing is mindset. So they teaches you, and I hope you like this course and this training program. And also, I am an affiliate with this program. It means if you sign up through my affiliate account here, and I will be getting a commission. So I will be leaving a link on the description down below. So thank you. Make sure to subscribe.